All right, guys, here we are, and I need to talk about a bull that Lamborghini has been training to come into the fighting arena and crush the competition. A bull which has lost two of its horns, but they have managed to somehow make up for it with some artificial horns in order to attack you. And by artificial, I mean some hybrid engines. My friends, this is the Lamborghini Temerario. All right, let's talk about the new Lamborghini Bull, the Temerario, the Lamborghini who wants to attack, the Lamborghini who is bold, as the name suggests. And I really want to start the video with the back profile of this car because it has the most important parts and the most important design changes to the whole design language of the Lamborghini. First of all, let me mention these two parts of the back profile which showcase the rear wheels, kind of resembling a bodybuilder showing off its triceps. God, it's so cool, this car. Like all these rear diffusers, all these rear bumpers, they have been lifted up in the design language and they make the aerodynamics more efficient, which is absolutely insane. Many people hate on the new design for the back profile of this gorgeous Lamborghini. But for me, this is just nuts because first of all, as the name suggests, this is the Lamborghini that is bold, you know? It had to be bold. Like they had to make some changes to the design language. Like they needed to come up with something new. And one of the most beautiful ones are these two hexagonal rear taillights combined with this exhaust pipe placed in the center, which is so badass, man. We have two exhaust pipes actually inside, but they are covered with this hexagonal shape. And you have these new rear grills which help the cooling of the engine bay, takes the heat out of it. And those two parts also in the rear, they open up like this. They are these kind of flaps to change the oils or some other stuff. And one thing I need to mention that this is the Alleggerita version. This is the light-weighted version. As you can see, we have a lot of carbon fiber around the place, like everywhere. We have carbon fiber here for the rear wing. I don't know if this is if this is an active rear wing or no. Honestly, if you know, write down in the comments. We have the rear air diffuser also in the carbon fiber. We have the whole covers around the engine bay except for that one in carbon fiber. Also the roof is in carbon fiber. We have these air intakes on the side of the vehicle over here, everything in carbon fiber, side skirts in carbon fiber, also front splitters as we are going to reach them very soon. And Lamborghini has not forgotten to use the Y-shaped design languages. As you can see here, we have the Y shape as always. And as I move to the front, the Y shape kind of disappears, unlike the new Revuelto, because the Revuelto is all about the Y-shaped designs and everything inspired from the Cyan. But another beautiful thing from the Temerario is these headlights. Bro, these headlights, they are actually integrated a little bit inside. They are not on top of the panels, like they are not exposed. They're kind of hidden, like eyebrows, angry eyebrows. It's so beautiful. Take a look at it. It's insane. As I move to the other side of the front profile, I will show you a little bit more details. The most new one, the newest one, not most new, that is not grammatically correct, but the newest one is this hexagon shape running the daylights, and they actually work as a air intake too to help cooling of the brakes over there. And this is something literally phenomenal. Like, as you can see also here, the headlights are integrated inside underneath the frunk. And as I have read that this Temerario right here, it has more luggage space in the front. You can actually fit two medium size, those small size luggages here in the front. And right now I need to talk about the engine of this car. Let me get to the engine bay again. Here we are again in the back. Let me tell you about the engine. As I told you at the first of the video, they have removed two horns from this bull. And by those two horns, I mean two cylinders. The Temerario does not showcase the V10 anymore. This has a twin turbocharged V8, and it's combined with three electric motors, one here in the back applied on top of the transmission, and there are two in the front, one for each wheel. Three electric motors. All of them combined, they make 920 horsepower. And the engine, the most insane part for you, it revs up to 10,000 RPMs, man. This means red line, 10,000 RPMs, rounds per minute, 10,000. I'm not sure if you can understand how insane that is, but but that is absolutely mind-boggling. And this is one of the few Lamborghinis that actually channel the air as it flows on top of the hood, on top of the roof, and it directs it here on top of the engine bay for cooling, and then it is extracted on top of the rear wing that we have here in the back. This is just mind-boggling. Now let me finish the video of the Temerario with some beautiful shots from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the video. Also like the video. And I will see you in the next one. The next one is a crazy Bugatti. Don't miss it out. Bye bye.